All right, so here is the starting product here. That bolster is much better. Got a little bit on this side here that may need some rejuvenation. So we're gonna try this guy today. Doc Bailey's Leather Black. Let's see how this turns out. Maybe attack this guy later on and see if this will turn it into a much better looking seat. So what's in the box, you might ask? So of course you've got the magical sauce here, right? You got about 4 ounces or 118 milliliters of this stuff, and this is like all-in-one product here. Cleans, restores, preserves, and waterproofs. You also have a sponge, kind of an awkwardly cut one, but whatever. And then you've got this little towel, which is really looks like maybe a paper towel, a shop towel, a little paper one. So let's put this on and see what's going on now. You'll notice this bolster, I've actually replaced a new piece of leather here. There we go. And there you have it. Ready for installation. There's a little bit of puckering, but hopefully when I have a bit more sun exposure on it, this will straighten out a little bit. So I might also put this on to protect this later on and make it all blend in. But let's see what we can do with this section over here. Sorry about the light. The light's not great. And I have light behind me, so there's a lot of shadowing here. So let's put this on and see what's happening. Directions will say apply a small amount to a clean, dry sponge or cotton cloth and scrub area to ensure proper cleaning, and then repeat the process, leaving a thin layer. So first you clean it, basically using this stuff, and then you apply a bit more so it starts leaking into little crevices and filling those a little bit. It says it dries instantly, so I am hoping it dries instantly. Hopefully that maybe a couple of applications will do the trick. So we'll see in a couple of minutes. Wait, is this sealed? Let's take a look. Of course it is. Well, time to give it a good shake. Shake and bake. So we've got a little bit on this cap here. I'm gonna put that on the sponge. Can get it to go to waste. All right, and then put that on and see what's up. All right, I'm loving what I'm seeing so far. You remember that stuff that was pretty white? This is now covering it up quite nicely. This is looking good. All right, let's look at the outside here. Maybe doing, looks like this stuff goes a little bit, goes a long way. What I would also suggest doing is perhaps masking the plastic so then you're not marking this up. So I'm going to be very careful and perhaps go over this off camera here, but so far this is looking stunning. Wow. Okay, let's look at this next section here. got a lot of little crevices that need to be filled. So we're just gently filling it. And I'm going to put a little bit more here since this is a more challenging section. So we'll likely need a little bit more of the solution on here, but we're just going to let the leather absorb the dye here. Try to level this off a bit. But like I said, I am loving what I'm seeing so far. I'd be interested to find out right now what it looks like once it's dry, but we'll have to see once we get there. Let's look at this section here. And I'm not doing the complete headrest on purpose, so we can actually kind of compare and contrast how this looks to the rest of it. So far, so good. And perhaps I'm applying too much, but these seats are in the greatest need of touch up here. They need the love. All right, that looks good. And we'll get the rest of this without touching the tricolor. Now the seats have been previously cleaned with Lexol leather cleaner. I have not conditioned them though. Okay. Let me bring you in a little closer. I mean, you can still see cracks in the leather. However, they're not sticking out like a sore thumb. And hopefully the shine will get better. I have not hit the rest of the headrest yet, just this side. But the middle portion and that side. And once it dries in about an hour, I'll show you what that looks like. All right, now we're just gonna grab this cloth here supplied in the kit, and we're just gonna lightly buff to pick up any of the excess stuff. So not a lot coming off of it actually, but yeah, it just helps to kind of flatten things out a little bit. Flatten out the excess stuff. I think I have a little paint mark on here that I'll have to figure out how to remove. Okay. Looks good so far.